Which of the following is curriculum of body cell? A. ADP, B. DNA, C. RNA, D. ATP. Answer is the D. ATP. Who invented steamboat? A. James Watt, B. Robotic Flash, C. Frank Wild, D. Geography Separation. Answer is the B. Robot Pollution. What is the one of the other name of vitamin A? A. Riboflavin, B. Aldehyde acid, C. Retinol, C. D. Thiamine. Answer is the C. Retinol. Which law state what the volume of a given amount of gas held at constant pressure is directly proportional to the thermal temperature? A. Charles law, B. Avogadro's law, G. Gramsci's law, D. Boileau's law. Answer is the A. Charles law. A rhinoscope, a nososcope is a thin tube-like instruments used to minimum inside of the dash eyes, A. B. nose, C. ear, D. brain. Answer is the B. nose. Not. The heaviest naturally occurring element is dash A. random, B. platinum, C. uranium, D. cadmium. Answer is the C. uranium. A coolant system in which liquid is dissipated into a liquid is called A. participate, B. gill, C. emulsion, D. sol. Answer is the C. emulsion. Which waves are used in sonography? A. ultrasonic waves, B. electromagnetic waves, C. fundamentals of waves, D. transverse waves. Answer is the A. ultrasonic waves. When sound waves travel from air to water, which of the following questions remains uncharged? A. Speed, B. frequency, C. intensity, D. wavelength. Answer is the B. frequency. Which of the following is commonly called is polyamide? A. rayon, B. nylon, C. tallone, D. onion. Answer is the B. nylon. Which of the following is the force? A. heart, B. light, C. magnetism, D. Netis. Answer is the C. magnetis. The human heart is dash apillary heart, B. plasticine heart, D. magnetis heart, D. neurogenesis heart. Answer is the C. myogenesis heart. In context of environments, the term directly refers to dash a most harmful greenhouse gases, b ozone depending substances, c 12% organized populations, D. None of the above. Answer is the C. 12% organized pollutants. Element which have same number of protons but a different number of neutrons is called as stones, B. Asthmos, C. Allotropies, D. Allomores. Answer is the A. Allotropes. What is the third most common gas found in the air? We wetted dash A. Hydrogen, B. Neon, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Argon. Answer is the D. Argon. Which of the following type of coal has a maximum carbon content? A. Peat, B. Lighted, C. Arthritis, D. Benomanios. Answer is the C. Anthracis. Newton's third law of motion. A. Every action there is an equal and opposite relation. B. Attention or repulsion between two charges. C. Volume of a given mass of gas increase or decrease. D. Temperature remaining constant. Volume of a given mass of a gas varies in variability. Answer is the A. Every action there is an equal and opposite relation. Bold does not coagulate inside the body due to the pressure of dash A. Hemoglobin, B. Fibrin, C. Heparin, D. Plasma. Answer is the C. Heparin. 1 yard dash A. 3 foot, B. 6 foot, C. 2.4 feet, D. 12 feet. Answer is the A. 3 feet. 1 yard mean 1 गज 3 फुट का होता है. Electric motor was invented by dash Marie Friday, Olvens Evans, C. Thomas Edison, D. Harris Day. Answer is the A. Machinery Friday. In the whole periodic table, which element is most radically agent? A. Cheloni, B. Lithium, C. Helium, D. Neon. Answer is the B. Lithium. The main constituent of biogas is dash A. Methane, B. Hydrogen, C. Oxygen, D. Carbon dioxide. Answer is the A. Methane. Which of the following is national defense diseases? A. Alveoli. B. Cirrhosis. C. Rabies. D. Pellagra. Answer is the D. Pellagra. ELISA test is employed to dangerous. A. Coronavirus. B. AIDS antibodies. C. Tuberculosis bacteriums. D. Cancer. Answer is the B. As antibodies. Any diseases or infection that is naturally transmissible from vertebrate animal to humans is called A. Zoonosis. B. Zoonosis. C. Anosis. D. Chernosis. Answer is the B. Zoonosis. Vitamins were discovered by dash mollusli. B. Chandwick. C. Frank Vital. D. Kashmir Frank. Answer is the D. Kashmir Frank. BCG varnish is used to protect intolerability against A. Whooping course. B. Atherosclerosis. C. Varus fever. D. Smallpox. Answer is the B. Atherosclerosis. Molecules is a byproduct of dash factory. A. Fertilizer. B. Cotton. C. Oil. C. Sugar. D. Banaspati. D. Answer is the C. Sugar. Crude oil is heating on the frequency up to A. 300 centimeter. B. 350 centimeter. C. 400 centimeter. D. 450 centimeter. Answer is the 400 degrees centigrade. Permanent hardness of water may be removed by addition of A. Sodium carbonate. B. Alum. C. Plutonium permanganate. D. Lime. Answer is the A. Sodium carbonate. Height intelligence males are dash. A. Rat. B. Dolphin. C. Bat. D. Elephant. Answer is the B. Dolphin. Severe deficiency of vitamin D result in dash. A. Severe. B. Rotis. C. Night blindness. D. Automobilitis. Answer is the B. Restis. The gas used in refrigerator to cool water is nitrogen A, B carbon dioxide, D methane, D ammonia. Answer is the D ammonia. CNG stand for A. Converted natural gas, B. Conducted natural gas, C. Conducted natural gas. Answer is the D. Option D. Compressed natural gas. Answer is the D. Compressed natural gas. The nearest planet of the Earth is A. Venus, B. Mercury, C. Mars, D. Moon. Answer is the A. Venus. A great spot on the planet dash A. Saturn, B. Venus, C. Mars, D. Jupiter. Answer is the D. Jupiter. Digestion of food is completed in the small intestine, B. large intestine, C. stomach, D. liver. Answer is the A. small intestine. The good resources of vitamin C are A. green leaf vegetable, B. seeds, C. fresh vegetables and fruits, D. seafoods. Answer is the C. fresh vegetable and foods. In general, width seed of 10 to 13 kps seed. A. minor or non-damage, B. considerable damage, C. service damage, D. extra damage. Answer is the A. minor or no damage. Costs which move with the velocity comparable with the rotation of light run. A. fast, B. slow, C. equal to the velocity of light, D. with zero velocity. Answer is the B. slow. The famous book Al-Quran was written by the Muslim sentence A. Jabir bin Hayyan, B. Zatriul Riazi, C. Abu Ali Sinna, D. Abdul Qasim Majid. Answer is the C. Abu Ali Sinna. Which triplet is and DNA code for Belny? A. CTT, B. AGU, C. CAT, D. none of these. Answer is the D. none of these. Chemical name of Venus is A. sodium nitrate, B. dilute acetic acid, C. chloride acid of limbs, D. calculum. Answer is the B. dilute acetic acid. Which of the following layers make radio transmission possible? A. Trophophis. B. Lonophis. Fibers. C. Mysophilis. D. Satinophis. Answer is the B. Lonospheres. Which of the following atmosphere layer help in radio communication? A. Sphere. B. Ionosphere. C. Thermosphere. D. Satinosphere. Answer is the B. Ionosphere. Animal which capital and radically kills live animal for its food is called A. Parasite. B. Scavenger. C. Product. D. Mammals. Answer is the C. Predator. In a fashion nuclear reaction have nuclear breakup into smaller nuclear pairs. In other nuclear reaction, two or more than two possible nuclei are fused to form a heavy nuclear. In the nuclear radiation is called A. Chemical radiation. B. Nuclear reaction. C. Fashion nuclear reaction. C. Function nuclear reaction. Answer is the D. Fashion nuclear reaction. A nuclear reactor is a device used to carry but controlled nuclear reaction, whereas GM counter is a device used to direct A. current, B. voltage, C. nuclear radiation, D. power. Answer is the C. Nuclear radiation. Red blood corpuscles are found in the dash. A. liver, B. bone marrow, C. kidneys, D. heart. Answer is the B. bone marrow. Which is the largest organs in the human body? A. liver, B. heart, C. skin, D. kidney. Answer is the C. skin. Medulla oblongata is a part of a human. A. heart, B. brain, C. liver, D. sex organ. Answer is the B. brain. When a person enters a direct room from bright light, he is not able to see clearly for a light while because the eye is unable to adjust itself immediately. B. retina because incentive monetarily. C. Arius is unable to dilate the pupil immediately. The distance between the lens and retina take time to adjust. Answer is the C. Ears is unable to dilate the pupil immediately. The greenhouse effect is caused by an excess of dash A. Carbon dioxide, B. Carbon monoxide, C. Carbon tetrachloride. The none of the above. Answer is the A. Carbon dioxide. Candling with steam is more severe than candling by boiling water because A. Steam can percent the steam. B. Steam is at high temperature. C. Steam contains more energy than boiling water. D. Steam is at a higher pressure. Answer is the C. Steam contains more energy than boiling water. An instrument of detect the purity of meal is A. Lactometer, B. Hygrometer, C. Manometer, D. Sonometer. Answer is the A. Lactometer. The atmosphere is known consists of dash in 90% hydrogen, 10% nitrogen. B. 80% nitrogen, 20% hydrogen. C. 60% nitrogen, 40% intergases. D. None of them. Answer is the C. 60% nitrogen or 40% intergases. One of these sentences for merit-based law of geometry. Answer A. Fastens juniors. B. Artist method. C. Artist total. D. None. Answer is the A. Patents crosses. Vacuum tube have been replaced by dash A. Conductor, B. Deuce, C. Transistors, D. None of these. Answer is the C. Transistor. The shape of external air is due to elasticity, the fiber cartilage, C. Article cartilage, the non answer is the A. Elastic cartilage. When water is filled in the bottle and he allowed to freeze the bottle breaks. A. Water expand on freezing. B. Bottle constant at freezing point. C. Temperature of standing of the bottle is the less than that is inside the bottle. D. None of the above. Answer is the A. Water expanding on freezing. Dash are prosperity the plus change particular. A. Nucleus. B. Electron. C. Proton. D. None of these. Answer is the C. Protons. 2017 Nobel Prize currently answered in physics is for dash. A. Power of observation of gravitation always. B. Power of observation of gravitation always. C. First observation of gravitation all waves. D. Power objectivity of gravitation all waves. Answer is the C. First observation of gravitation or all waves. The speed of sound in the air at sea level is approximately A. 300 meter per second. B. 320 meter per second. C. 340 meters per second. D. 370 meter per second. Answer is the C. 340 meter per second. Deficiencies of vitamins B is C dash. A. Rotis. B. Bone infection. C. Beriberi. C. D. Myopia. Answer is the C. Beriberi. What is the best rate of a human being body? A. 15 to 11 minutes. B. 16 to 20 minutes. C. 25 to 26 minutes. D. 32 to 35 minutes. Answer is the B. 16 to 20 minutes. If the length of a heater coil is restricted by 10% of its original length, then power consumed by heater will A. Increase over 10%. B. Decrease by 10%. C. Decrease by 0.5%. D. Increase by 0.5%. Answer is the B. Decrease by 10%. The common refrigerator used in the Mometis refraction is dash. A. Non. B. Spirit. C. Fashion ammonia. D. Mathematics. Answer is the C. Farmers ammonia. PSRGO 1008 1431 is the closest known dash of Earth. A. Black hole. B. Red giant. C. Quasar. D. Pulsar. Answer is the D. Pulsar. Organize a rich source of dash. Carbon dioxide. B. Carbohydrates. C. Protein. D. Vitamin. Answer is the D. Vitamin. Some substances are good conductor of element is both the solid or liquid states. These substances are generally dash. A. Iron substances. B. Metallic substances. C. Molecular solids. D. networks sold. Answer is the B. Metallic substances. Which of the following has the highest energy? A. Gamma ray, B. X ray, C. Ultraviolet radiation, D. Radio waves. Answer is the A. Gamma ray. Approximately how much time is it do our heart values open and close normally? A. 1 lakh, B. 10,000, C. 1,50,000, D. 2 lakh. Answer is the A. 1 lakh. When a warm air is lifted off the surface, its temperature depression, it is called A. An alternation, B. A cold front, C. An anticyclone, D. A warm front. Answer is the A. An oscillation.